kind of chronologically inside the diner, I think, pretty much. And it was great. I mean, it was, you know, like they said, you don't really know your character. And I think Alina was someone that, I think it helped for me at least, because Alina, I don't think she really knew who she was on that first day in the diner. She's really lost. She's the most kind of drugged up she's ever been. She's real out of it. And it really worked for me. I think that day is the day I ate a whole pie and a half.
Yeah, several times.
After every take,
Yeah.
I think we finished a whole pie.
With whipped cream.
With whipped cream and
You mean a
buckets of
slice
coffee.
of pie, not the whole pie.
No. By the end of the day,
the
I
end
had
of the-
eaten
A whole
so
pie.
many slices. It was about a pie and like a quarter.
Yeah, she was eating a lot.
Yeah. So it was a great first day.